Blue Bear Safenol Paint Stripper sets the standard for safe paint stripping. This revolutionary gelled stripper removes multiple layers of coatings without any concerns associated with either methylene chloride or N-methyl pyrrolidone. Safenol is nearly odorless and is non-caustic, meaning that it can be used indoors without filling your space with obnoxious odors, and if you happen to get any on your bare skin, it won't burn. The process is rather straightforward. Pick your project and apply Safenol. Depending on the type of paint and the number of layers, the time needed to fully soften the paint varies. You'll want to check the piece occasionally to see if the paint is ready to be removed. We recommend using a metal paint scraper to check if all of the layers have softened. If you are unable to get to the surface of the piece, simply let Safenol work a little longer. When the coatings have fully softened, remove them with a scraper. The waste may be disposed of in the garbage. Safenol is safe, effective, and it works. Cleanup and preparation for whatever you have planned next for the piece can be done with Blue Bear Emerge Cleaner and Degreaser. This is an important step to make sure the next coating adheres well. When it's time to strip and restore wood, concrete, metal, and even fiberglass, turn to Blue Bear Safenol Paint Stripper.